Hello again, everybody. Welcome back. Today we are taking a look at one of Sega's earlier consoles. It was known in Japan as the Sega Mark III, but here in America it was known as the Sega Master System. Now I got a decent deal on this on eBay because this unit apparently does not read cartridges or the game cards. I don't have any card games to test out, but I do have some cartridges. But this is one of the mid or late 80s model units, so it does come with a built-in game. And so when it boots up, you can choose, of course, the light gun I don't have, and it wouldn't work with this TV anyway, but we're gonna try Hang On. I'm terrible at this game, by the way. You gotta like shift gears and everything. I don't know, it's a pretty rough game. So, it does work. Whoops. Which is good news because it means that the motherboard inside is working properly, the controller ports and the controllers are working properly. But if we put in one of our games, this is Choplifter. Turn it on. It boots up like normal. And it just boots to the built-in game. It doesn't even realize that this cartridge is inserted. So we are going to try to figure that out today. I have a hunch of what may be going on. So we're going to remove 6 screws. We just need a crosshead bit here. And now let's remove the shielding here. So it looks like someone has already been inside this trying to repair it, because there is a screw missing there. I want to check the cartridge slot, and I guess I'll check the card reader as well. Let's see. Looks to be several screws. I'm assuming this holds the actual, yeah, the whole motherboard down. I don't know if that was necessary to take it off. Oh well, I'll just be careful. So let's take a look at the connections here. I have an idea. Let's see. Okay, so my guess was right. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on video, given the angle and how close I have to be to the camera. Man, hard to get the right amount of zoom. So for all of these solder joints, for each of these pins on it, I really can't get the right angle for it. There are actually tiny cracks on several of them, so it's not actually making a full connection. That is for the cartridge slot here. And then I'm going to check for the card reader as well. Again, it's hard to see. Card reader looks okay. Here we go. This is tough to get the right angle. I think we are good. I forgot to start the camera when I actually reflowed the solder joints on the card reader, but you get the idea. So we're gonna see if this works. Interestingly enough, I noticed that this has been recapped. Somebody was trying to fix it, so they were clearly doing their own repairs, but I guess they didn't think to check the soldering points. we have reflowed and strengthened the solder on the bottom side of that motherboard with the cartridge slot connector. Now is the moment of truth. So here is our choplifter cartridge. Put this guy in. Really fun game if it works.